in Jamestown. We're here to see what goes on here. It's what, British Accra?
British Accra.
The oldest Ghana settlement in Ghana.
Yeah.
So Wendy's going to be leading a charge. Wendy's Ghana. We're going to figure it out today, right?
Yes.
Make sure you guys check out Wendy's channel. We'll see you soon. Guys, this was a very difficult vlog to do. As Wendy and I just went inside the space to go down to the beach side, we were found by a family that owned the house just here because we were filming, and that was the order of the day. Everywhere we went, the locals essentially were extorting us, asking for money. And when you look at the place, you can see that this part of Accra has been awfully neglected. It has almost been forgotten, despite them producing some very world-class, athletes, and provide the whole city with fish, and they've just really been forgotten. The only saving grace of this place, I'd say, is the sea. The sea is very generous, and the people here are mainly fisher folks. Now look at the beach. It's not exactly the cleanest beach, but from afar it looks gorgeous. So after that part, we decided to go see a few monuments that are very popular and mostly iconic in the neighborhood. This is a very old town in Accra, so it has a lot of history. After a while of just having to say no to a lot of people who were asking us to pay money for just, walking by, we decided to leave this particular area and head somewhere else. And we came across this boxing gym. The owner, his name is Laye. He is very generous, and he was, allowed us to film a bit. So look at this boxing gym. Jamestown has produced world-class boxers. Take a look around. Guys, we're inside a boxing studio right now. The owner has allowed us to film around just a little bit, and there are female boxers here, male boxers here in Jamestown. It looks really interesting. Here are all the kids behind. Yeah, this is where they come. Interesting stuff. Not too far from the gym is Oseka, which is a beach resort, sort of like relaxation area. So Wendy and I headed over there to try to, grab some food, enjoy the view, because it was going to be sunset soon. And I think this is like the best spot if you do come to Jamestown. You definitely have to come here, see around, just, listen to some music, dance a little bit, drink something, and just sit down and relax and enjoy the ocean. Their food, well, it was just okay. It's nothing spectacular, but it would get you through the day. What we really came for was this. If I lived here, I absolutely would not be voting for any politician. I feel like this is not, what a town that is historic should look like, and this is not what the people should be living like. But for some odd reason, people here are very political. Everywhere you went, there were political posters around, people in t-shirts and whatnot. So I guess it's a living for some people. If you do come to Ghana and you want to check out Jamestown, they have a lot of art history, a lot of like slavery history. If it's something you want to do a day trip, you can do that. But as I've told you, they're not very kind to people with cameras, and they don't really won't allow you to be, is what I could say for now. So yeah, Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you want me to be in another neighborhood in Ghana, you want to see around, you miss it, whatever it is, drop your comments below in the comment section. Let me know if you've had a different experience with Jamestown. I unfortunately will not be going back, but for everybody else that has been, let me know how your experience was when you went here. Take care. I will catch you guys in my next vlog.